The Proform 6.0 is your go-to treadmill for getting in shape and staying in shape. The powerful 2.5 continuous horsepower Mach-Z motor surpasses industry standards, so whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this motor can keep up. With iFit, connect your tablet and choose from hundreds of workouts from some of the world's best fitness experts as they take you on a journey to amazing locations across the globe. And iFit tracks your workout stats, provides professional coaching, and allows you to connect and share with friends. And when you're ready to push yourself, you can take your run all the way up to 10 miles per hour with the quick speed controls. Or burn calories just by walking at an incline. With quick incline controls, select the incline that's right for you, all the way up to 10%. And the deck is equipped with ProShocks cushioning to absorb impact and provide your feet with a softer landing. Not only is the deck cushioned, but it's spacious too. A large 20 by 60 inch deck means you can run naturally and comfortably. And say goodbye to boredom. With the integrated tablet holder, the web, emails, or your favorite shows are within arm's reach for you to enjoy while you exercise. The new Round Watts LED display is the first of its kind in fitness tracking. Easily monitor your power output through the display in real time. And to get an even more effective workout, use the Quick Touch interval training controls to switch between intensity, then recovery. Plug into the audio auxiliary port and listen to your personal audio with crisp and clear audio delivered through a set of 2-inch speakers. Ready for a different challenge each day of the week? Choose between 20 different onboard workouts, each designed by a certified personal trainer. Get a fast and reliable heart rate readout with the in-handle EKG grips. Proform stands behind its products. This treadmill is backed with a lifetime frame warranty, a 25-year motor warranty, and a 1-year parts and labor warranty. When you're done with your workout, simply fold your treadmill with a space-saver design and reclaim that needed space in your living room. Reach your goals one step at a time with the innovative Sport 6.0 treadmill from Proform.
The Proform Smart Performance 600i treadmill delivers a personal trainer in your home with a 1-year iFit membership included with your purchase.
Stick with me and we'll get that together.
iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted by the most professional and engaging trainers on the planet.
Great work. You're doing awesome.
Whether you are running the beaches of Bora Bora or climbing Patagonia with your trainer, you get plenty of space to roam on the spacious 55 by 18 inch deck. The powerful 2.5 CHP motor will keep you running for years to come, reaching speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Enjoy the ultimate workout as your trainer automatically adjusts the inclines of Mount Kilimanjaro and declines of Machu Picchu.
20 seconds, this is it, come on.
Enjoy the 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen to experience personal training on all 7 continents while getting in the best shape of your life.
I'm so proud of you. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.
When your workout is done, simply fold up the deck using the smart space-saving design. Interactive personal training right inside your home. Welcome to Proform.
Think treadmills haven't changed much over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 10 is the immersive cardio experience that connects you with streaming entertainment and the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features that challenge your best effort. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, you get the picture. And the Journey membership allows you to explore something new and personalized on any given day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while crushing your daily running challenge. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the streaming subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills and experience epic incline training with 5% decline all the way up to 15% incline. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning, providing a softer landing and an extra spring in your step. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 10-inch console immerses you in all the wizardry that the Treadmill 10 has to offer. After your workout, the 10 folds up nicely to maximize space. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 10, offering a brand new adventure every day of the week.
The Pro 2000 is iFit enabled. Use the vibrant 7-inch smart high-definition touchscreen and gain access to iFit's extensive library of exercises, all designed by certified personal trainers. Just pick your coach or destination and enjoy your workout as your treadmill automatically adjusts the speed and incline to match your chosen route. The world is at your fingertips. Driven by a dynamic 3.5 continuous horsepower motor, delivering the power required to achieve all your fitness goals. Adjust the speed all the way up to 12 miles per hour and easily adjust the decline and incline between -3% to 15%, all with the push of a button. The innovative ProShocks cushioning system is designed to help you stay comfortable during longer workouts. And with the spacious 22 by 60 inch deck, run confidently with your natural full strides. And stay cool and fresh with the Cool Air workout fan. Plug your devices into the audio port or connect them via Bluetooth, and enjoy your music delivered through a pair of powerful 3-inch Bluetooth speakers. Keep track of your heartbeat with the in-handle EKG grips. This sturdy frame is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. At Proform, we stand behind our products. The treadmill comes with a lifetime frame and motor warranty, 5 years for parts, and a 2-year warranty for labor. Experience the professional design and state-of-the-art technology millions of satisfied customers have come to rely upon. Experience the Pro 2000 treadmill from Proform.
When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. And that's why NordicTrack includes a 1-month free trial iFit membership with your purchase. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted by some of the most professional and engaging trainers on the planet. Simply connect your phone or tablet to the treadmill via Bluetooth and be ready to work out with the likes of Tommy Rivers Pusey, Hannah Eaton, John Peel, and so many more, including me, Evan Dollard. I have workouts from California to Austria, and I cannot wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. This experience is the undeniable difference that makes the 6.5S a great treadmill to help you reach your fitness goals. Now, let's hit some key features. They truly matter, and were designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. The T6.5S has Bluetooth capability, so your trainer can control your workout and you can feel the incline all the way up to 10%. You will love the one-touch controls, which makes adjusting speed and incline as simple as a single touch. The Space Saver design is an amazing feature to keep it folded up and out of the way when you're not fully immersed with me on the picturesque island of Santorini, Greece. Interactive personal training in your home, on your time. Welcome to NordicTrack.
You take your fitness seriously, so step up to a serious treadmill. The ProForm Pro 9000 is at the peak of performance, design, and technology. The incredibly powerful 4.0 continuous horsepower motor blows away industry standards and is built to last for years to come. The rugged motor powers your run to a quick 12 miles per hour. Choose any speed with a single touch, or burn more calories just by walking. This treadmill elevates to an impressive 15% incline and down to a -3 decline, all with the touch of a button. The large 10-inch full-color touch display is your command center to a great workout. Monitor your training stats and access your workouts and coaching. And reach your fitness goals in a totally new and exciting way, using iFit to explore and run in amazing destinations all around the globe. Pick from a pre-planned route or map your own with Google Maps, and your treadmill will automatically simulate the incline and declines of the terrain. Climb the steep hills of the Swiss Alps or take a leisurely walk along the beaches of Brazil. And iFit tracks your workout stats and goals, provides loads of professional training, and allows you to connect and share with friends. Also access iFit on your tablet with the built-in tablet holder, or watch your favorite shows, browse the web, or connect with friends from your treadmill. Keep moving in comfort. The deck is equipped with our innovative ProShocks cushioning system to provide a softer landing for a more comfortable workout. And run like you're out in the open road with the 22 by 60-inch deck, our largest available. The Cool Air workout fan will keep you cool and comfortable, so nothing will slow you down. Get in the zone with your favorite tunes. Plug your MP3 or iPod into the compatible sound system and get crystal clear audio delivered through an oversized set of 3-inch speakers. Try a new and unique challenge every day. Choose from 40 preset workout apps, each designed by a certified personal trainer. Touch the in-handle EKG grips for a fast and reliable heart rate readout. Or get a wireless heart rate readout using the included iFit Bluetooth Smart Chest strap. It syncs to iFit, so you can view your heart rate readout history and track your progress. When you're done with your workout, folding and storing your machine has never been easier with the space-saver design and easy lift assist. The time to move is now. Step up to the peak of innovation, technology, and design. The Pro 9000 from Proform.
Luxury meets performance with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill.